Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This video I'm going to talk about how to fix screen unresponsive on your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, and how you can fix it. So whenever you're going through this particular trouble, all you need to do is you have to try a force restart. So to do a force restart, you have to press volume up, followed by volume down. You have to press and hold the power button over here. So it means with this, press volume up, followed by volume down. Press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, let's remove the hand from the button and just follow so that your phone will be completely started up. Now just get into the phone and most probably the unresponsive issue will be fixed up. I always keep media helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. See you all in the next video. Bye.